This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 54 of Building Your Own Ford GT. This issue we are looking at Le Mans, obviously round one of Le Mans. I don't know if that's the start of the 24-hour Le Mans, a very fast start by Surtees Ferrari, number 19. There we go. Yep, looking at oldie worldy pictures, because you can tell because they hadn't invented colour yet. So yeah, nice stuff. There we go. They'd invented some colour by then. That's okay. Right, the radiator grille is what we're building today. A very, very quick build, although not as quick as one of the upcoming ones that's coming up soon, as you can tell by the way it's upcoming. So yes, we're just fitting a little, I don't know, what is that little red blob? It's not a little red blob. It is 54C. It is the front lamp. This is not illuminated. Oh, it's a bit right in the very... I know where it is now. This is not illuminated by the looks of it. It's got a screw in the back of it, so it can't have a bulb. But that's that. We're just putting that on there and then putting that aside, but it's going to be that bit, obviously, on the front there. So let's get straight in and get straight to it. And here we have today's parts. We've got three of them. We've got the grille itself, which is fine, the plastic bit that goes over the front of it. And before we put that on place, we've got to put the front lamp on using an FP05 screw. I think we've used these before, but I'm not entirely certain. But we just need one of those for now. We shall use a fairly small screwdriver for that, because it's a fairly small screw. That goes on the front there. Doesn't matter which way around. There's no front or back to that. No orientation required. Screw through there. And then straight into the middle of the... Where's the screw gone? Screw's gone off to the side of the screwdriver. As I said, a very quick, easy, no-nonsense part of the build, this. I'm not entirely certain why it's being so difficult and being nonsense. So let's get that through there. It really is. I shall have great fun doing this. For some reason, I'm going to put my light on so I can see closer what I'm doing. That on there doesn't come through very far, but doesn't need to because it's just going into there directly. That should be it. Or not. Why am I making such a pain out of doing this one little screw? Why should I make it so difficult? I'm not going to cut away. You're stuck with me for as long as this takes. It may well be a long time, but it may not. It may be almost done. I'm going to try holding the screw in place with the screwdriver and turning the other bit. And that's not working. So let's try that again. That feels worse. It feels better, but it wasn't. You didn't need to see an easy, quick episode, did you? If you wanted to see someone build it with no trouble at all, you'd be watching somebody else now, wouldn't you? You wouldn't be watching me. It does in fact key in place, so it needs to go the right way round, but it should start to screw in a bit before that. Unless I'm being a complete idiot. No, I think I'm not. I think I just haven't got it lined up. But now that feels like that's actually screwing into a thing. So then make sure that that is in fact in the right rotation. Slots are going into the grooves and things like that. And then we can tighten that down. There we go. No trouble at all. Why was anyone making out that there was any trouble? I don't know why. So this has got to go on there. There is a single pin, which obviously needs to go into that hole over there, as well as the big bits going through the big bits. Like that. And like that. So there we have the radiator grille. I'm not sure which way up it goes. It's probably that way up. So that's that. And that is this part of the build complete, stage done. So I shall see you very soon for the next one or another part working between. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.